YouTube. This is the Velvet Locks with another wonderful detox drink for you today. Now this is basically the same drink that I've made a while ago. This is an updated version of this detox that's going to help to get rid, and we're talking get rid of that belly fat, okay? Now this is going to be done a lot different than what I've done in my prior videos, because this way I am definitely getting all of the nutrients, everything from the ingredients in this video. Now I'm just plucking off these stems and just leaving the leaves on there, because this is our mint leaf that we're going to be using. Okay, all right, so just basically a handful of mint leaves, one lemon, and for this video I'll probably, being that the container is not that big, all right, I'll have to give you an actual measurement of how many liters this is, but you're also going to be using one cucumber, okay? Now being that this is not an organic cucumber, I'm going to skin all of this stuff off because we really don't need it. So I'm going to take all of this stuff off of the cucumber, all right? Then I'm going to show you what I'm going to do next, all right? So I'm going to peel my cucumber and come back. Okay, so I finished peeling my cucumber. Next I'm going to slice my lemon into slices. And then after that, I'm going to put them in a pot of boiling water, because I want to get all of the zestiness and the nutrients from the lemon. Okay, so we're going to put this in our pot of water and start boiling them. Okay, now our pot of water is on the stove already. So we're just going to drop these in there and boil them for like 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, now in this video, we're going to also be using our veggie bullet again. I love using my veggie bullet. This is the bomb. Okay, so this is about 1.5 liters of fluid that I'm going to be putting in here. Now, what I'm doing in the meantime while my lemon is boiling, I'm going to start stuffing my infuser with my mint leaves. Next, we're going to take our cucumbers and we're going to make, well, chunks actually, because this is going to get pureed into our blender. So cut off whatever little green things, if it's not organic, especially cut off the skin. Now we're just going to throw this into our blender. Okay. Okay, and we're going to blend it up. Turn it into juice. Okie dokie. This is delicious. This is now cucumber puree. All right. So what we're going to do next is, okay, and what I would suggest to do if you have an infuser is just to pour it directly inside your pitcher. And again, this pitcher is for a 1.5 liter of water, and you just pour it all in there. Okay, next we're just going to throw our infuser in there, pour our cucumber puree in there, because it's just going to go right through anyways. All right, and then top off the rest with your water. I'll be right back. And that's it, you guys. Oh, you may have to fix your lemons at the bottom, but that's it. This is your wonderful new and improved cucumber drink, cucumber detox water. Like I mentioned, this is going to help you with your body, help you with detoxing your the weight off of you. And look at this, you got the full effect of the cucumber juice, okay, of the cucumber. So what you're going to do still is leave this in the refrigerator to steep for at least 8 to 12 hours, and then afterwards you're going to drink this throughout the day. All right, it's not one of those drink only in the morning drinks. You drink this throughout the day. It's going to help flush out the pollutants, the toxins. It's going to have you going back and forth to the bathroom, and this way you're cleansing out your colon as well. All right, and this is it. Beautiful, delicious drink. All right, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. Don't forget to turn your notifications on for this channel so you will not miss another one of these wonderful detox drink videos, okay? And until the next time, I will see you in the next video.
fam. What are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that notification bell right next to it. So this way you will know when I'm uploading another video. So don't forget, hit the subscribe button, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that notification bell so you will not miss another one of these type of videos. So